Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fiona and this is a very impromptu vlog. I'm cooking traditional Swahili food. Let's get in the light, let's get in the light. I cook every day. I do cook every day, but I don't film it. But today I'm going to, because my friend's here and he's going to show me how to make chapatis. I've never made chapatis before, and I set out as well today to go and purchase a rolling pin. And I can't find a rolling pin. I absolutely cannot find a rolling pin. So we're making chapatis with tomato sauce bottle. Let's see how that works. Oh my goodness. Let's see how that plays out. But first, I want to just show you the size of the spinach. I bought additional spinach, but I bought some spinach and some other bits, and I just want to show you the quantity, and then I'll put the price as well, because it's just so much. It's so much. Tanzania can be expensive. I think it's expensive for certain things, but for veg and fruits and, you know, other bits that are local, it's really, really good. The price is really good. Let's go. Let me show you. I wanted to show you. Look at the size. This massive, massive bunch of spinach. Massive bunch of spinach. I bought extra because I've already started cooking. And these big beans, the spinach was 1,000. I'll put the price, 1,002 shillings. I've already started, I soaked the beans overnight, and these were just, it was, what was it? 1 kg? I'm sure it was a big bag. Anyway, 2,000. There's loads in here. I'll put the price. And these coconuts were 9,000 for all of them, 1,500 for each. I will put the price. I think Tanzania is quite expensive, but it depends on what you're buying. But if you go to the market, food can be quite cheap. And I'm not buying meat or fish, so I don't know how much meat or fish would cost. Yeah. Once I soak and wash these and chop them up and then put them in a container, that's what, 2-3 days? And now I eat spinach every day with my food. I steam them down. Oh, wonderful. So I'm going to show you what we're cooking. Yeah. So this is how they make chapati here in Tanzania, or how Maasai people make chapati. Hot water. I say hot, it's more warm. The flour. How many chapatis do you think we can make from this?
Maybe, I don't know, we can see.
Okay. Oh, it's a lot of flour. That's going to be a lot of chapati.
Let's see.
Have the tomato sauce bottle because we don't have a rolling pin. Improvisation. And this oil is moringa oil. It's moringa oil. Serious face of making chapati. It looks a little bit like ugali. quick detour. The president of Tanzania is here. He drove past me and he's outside, see? Daisy.
You see how it's going? Must to land.
Yes.
Warm water.
Warm water. Okay.
And sunflower.
Oil. You want some water?
And wait.
Oh.
Because I want to mix well.
You want me to put some oil?
Wait.
Oh.
Be crazy, man. You see?
What does that mean?
It's come well now.
Oh, okay. I've never made chapatis.
You must make.
So making chapati, marage, and enchicha today. With some avocado on the side. It's gonna be fabulous. I've been cooking the beans already. I cooked the beans. The beans took, I think, about 2 hours, 2-3 hours to cook. Very low heat.
Which one?
The beans, the marage.
Yeah.
Make sure your hands are very, very clean when making.
Your thing's not clean?
Not you, I'm just saying. To make sure you have clean hands when you make chapati or do foods like this. So here's the mchicha and the marage. Oh, yeah, the marage is cooking. Right here, it smells so good. I put some beans in. I just need to, I'm gonna add this, the sweet red pepper and the red onions and the tomatoes to the mchicha, and then I washed a plantain. I actually might add some tomato puree to the, I'm going to add that to the mchicha, and you will see the wonderful results. I bought a pan for the chapati. So this is going to be cool. This is going to be cool. So it's coming along. Just to make chapati. And look at the mess. I mean, it's just flour, but for the love of God. Seriously.
So come, I can teach you.
If you want to learn how to make chapati, Tajiri will teach you. So if you don't have a rolling pin, a bottle will do. I literally had to buy this tomato sauce bottle. Because I did actually go to buy a rolling pin, but they didn't have one. Which is strange. In a shop that sells kitchen utensils.
Drop it. This bottle.
Put some flour on the bottle.
It's no problem.
Make it
This way.
or just do it one. Instead of roll it, just do one way, maybe. We'll work it out. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Yeah. So have to get a rolling pin. Improvisation. Get a bottle that's round. This one's got edges. It's fine. It's fine. Improvising. It's in the pan because it will sweat down this. And I've seasoned it and everything. So I'm just gonna turn it over and add some more. But it will all sweat down and fit. Hold on. So, we've got 2 chapatis right here. So let's check on the chicha. I put spices on there. Ooh. That I purchased from Stone Town. It looks so good. Let me just give it a stir. We have lots of chapatis here. They're not the best shape, but when you have a bottle like this, it's better than nothing.
So crazy, lady. And this is very nice because sleeping very cute.
Coming. Wonderful. Looks so good. And again, moringa oil is being used. It's wonderful. So the finished product. Chapati, and chicha, marage, and avocado. It looks wonderful.